Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to download HappyMod on iOS, and I will show you today how you can do this on the most easy way. Alright, first of all we go to settings and we need to be sure that your Wi-Fi connection is strong enough. Then also turn off your VPN if you are using a VPN, and those two settings are very important to start. Then what we need to do now is throw this one away and go to Safari and write down appsgin.com. Then we scroll down, you have a lot of things that you can download, but right here we want to download the HappyMod. So right now click on install again, and right now he is installing HappyMod on Safari. So we need to wait for a little bit. Alright, click now on install now, and then after that click on allow. Profiles downloaded, and right now we go to settings, profile downloaded, and right now we click here on install. Write down your code, click on next, click on install, click on done, throw this away, and hey guys, here it's standing HappyMod. So right now if we click on HappyMod, we open the HappyMod app, and right now you can do everything that you want with HappyMod. So this is exactly how this works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.